Very stupid, Joe.
Yes. So makafika kuGayi, yeah. Ukhwali in batisa lepo ya legal pete. Umshayela. Ulevini.
Put it here. If you don't want, take your baby, put them in the
And
microwave.
then he went wahamba ngisho bamena machini maxoxa ukubhema izolo. You guys are laughing.
No, like I'm paying attention. Yeah.
Imagine how I died because of that. Then so hleka emncabeni wami.
Stupid inda umgwaze uqhwaye mfisi.
So mbathatha umgwaza. Wazibamba, wahamba waya emajidini. Makafika emajidini.
Yo.
That was child, vele. I better when you put the knife here, man.
What's
Yeah, wahamba waya emajidini, makafika emajidini.
Yo.
Yeah, vele when you put the knife here.
Thank you, Slay.
When you put the knife here, it's child, man. That's yeah, sound is rolling.
Okay, ndangathina siyahlupheka ke.
Yeah, hey, bonkosi na yahlupha. And njalo le my onset intangenza ka so.
I don't have a diamond check. Diamond test. Seka sinandaba nawe nama diamond test.
Number 2 rolling quite on set.
Ukhuluma lesilungu
Ngakho into
lesase
20 rand.
Episode 28.
9
29.
8
Action.
8.
8.
Is it 9 or 8? 8
Ngakho
9.
into 20 rand. Ngakho into 20 rand ngibe flyer than wena. Yela ngama diamond
Wena king man. Let's isusa la. Kuthi itso close mo. Bafethu we are live apparently. Cela quiet on set ne. Vandag sihleli nama uzethu.
16 mamhla.
16 Joe.
Wena ugcoyile Jesus skolo.
Are we shooting already?
Yeah, we are boy.
Oh damn.
Ucanga ukuthi yakhishalaza nje.
Oh damn.
Ngifila ngathi ngirepresent ngihleli kabuhlungu yo. And manje please yangiqinisa.
Some represents ahlala kabuhlungu.
Oh, sihlala kabuhlungu lesiya. Abakazihlala kaso.
Yeah, no, they can't chill like
Nah,
that.
they can't.
It's a boy, it's Patasha.
Hinda Farmina. Nyadlala.
Pleasurism.
Spete romance ka
Roman
fanda.
cigar, the sinners that came here to kill all the sinners that sin and I stand on the business. Yes, sir.
How le? Oh, yeah, rapper.
Yeah, I'm a rapper, dog.
I was not ready for that feel.
Pretty boy.
Iphelile boy.
Hi. Mawufuna uyiqhubekisa? G. Ayakela my guy. How's it? Nice to have you on set. Finally, kunini lo mjita ufuna ukuzwakala mfethu.
Ish, dog.
Exactly. And I spoke to Lati yesterday.
Lady, yeah.
Yeah, uthe ufuna ukuzwakala naye.
Yeah,
I
clean,
spoke to him very.
clean. Ngabru, ne?
Yeah. I thought they were going to be stuck up feel.
No,
Ulati
sure,
impinchak. La basha content naye vele. Le hamba ngale moto pink.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what kind of content do you do? Because Mina, I don't know much about you. No offense.
Me now, like, what I hear from people is that my content, it's dark humor. Yeah, dark humor.
Unokuveza umuntu ocripple.
Eh? No, like, bro, my humor, bro, it either offends you or it amuses you.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Between the two, yeah, that's
Because I've watched like a couple of videos.
Don't cheat.
But right now, he's been doing this for how many years now?
Content, it's 2026 now.
Yeah.
Damn. I started in 2023 December. Can I say 2 years?
Yeah, I think, 2
2
years, 3
years.
years, yeah.
Content 2 years. Rapping all my life.
Since.
Since I was 8.
Yo.
Yeah.
Mara ngale zenkathi lezi yabo rapper ngesiZulu ne.
Nah, English.
Oh. Ngokho isicoko. Yiba inspire lava ne.
I'm inspired.
Yeah.
But mina ngi-inspired vela ama-American ngithola.
What inspired your content creation?
Dog, it's cause like the people I was surrounded with, like everyone's story, you know, the people you chill with. What do we do when we chill? We're making content. My friends were just always making content. I was always a part of it. And then I started making my own content, and then that started being a thing.
Is your content on YouTube or TikTok? Or?
It's everywhere.
Okay.
All DSPs.
Everything.
Your music, lawyer.
Even on TV.
What's the name? What's the name of your channel?
My channel is Roman Cigar with 2 eyes.
Roman Cigar.
Cigar.
What inspired your name, dog?
I'm not gonna come here and talk some corny thing, say it's got some deep meaning, bro. This is literally a dope cadence. I feel like it was a nice cadence. I was in high school. I needed an Instagram name, and I sat down in my room, and I just thought of a nice cadence there, and I was like, Steven Seagal, Roman Scathers, Roman, you know, like Tory Lanez, how his name is. I wanted a name with a name and a surname.
Crystal meth.
Bear.
Bear. Yeah. But Crystal meth itraga negama nesibongo. That's the only track in negama nesibongo.
Actually,
exactly.
You gonna get us dragged. He's getting us dragged.
Welcome.
But listen,
this is
welcome.
He's getting us dragged, dog. He's getting us dragged. I won't lie. But I just wanted a name with a name and a surname, so I just came up with Roman Cigar. I literally came up with it.
Oh, you came up with the name, Ben?
Yeah, I came up with it, and then people at school thought it was dope, and
when I no gift niyafana kahle nizipha amagama.
Yeah, mina ngiziphile
Uziphile igama la Pretty Boy G. Uziphile.
Awazi ukuthi lize kanjani?
Lize kanjani?
Fair yazi ngitshela.
No man. Uziphile lo.
SB Pretty Boy.
Igama le Mix City leli ndoda.
Guys, I got this name from RS.
Oh yeah.
I can explain it fair. Beni DJ from RS.
Kuba ngani lokubiza ngePretty Boy entanga?
I'm
sure
the guys like
it's the peaches, ne?
My peaches.
So like do you get a lot of honeys?
I only have one honey.
Before you got her, you had a lot of options.
Oh, guys. Hey, when
even right now, like
okay,
you get
like
a lot of honey.
Vele, I do get amantombazana
Backfatela
and stuff like that. But then, yeah, I mean, I brush them off because like I'm fixated on one hand.
One hand.
My heart.
Do you feel like are you in love with her? Are you in love with her?
Yo, Twana, man, yo. Over the moon.
It's you forever.
Forever. Yeah, Jayam. Yena Kela. Me and you against the world, baby.
Yeah, that's some real ish, man.
Nice,
that's dope.
But yeah,
I won't lie.
Ungafani nathi vela.
Yeah, I seen Antona.
Also, Nina Nafe.
Asijoli. Singama hopeless romantic thina njalo.
Oh yeah, mina ngeleza ngizingena.
What is a hopeless romantic, dog?
A person that's just that wants romance but like doesn't really like hasn't really been given the platform to express it.
Okay, fair, yeah, nami ngathi ngiyangena lapho somehow.
Hey, wena staff.
Ntana uchawo njalo ngibabamba izinto nje ezibhedayo ndoda.
Awuba.
Wena ntana yini why do kwabanye abantwana? These are people's daughters, dog. Abakuchaka ababhedayo. Bayabheda. Kusho ukuthi ababa bayenze the right. How? Guys, by the way, I have flu. I see these guys are funny, so I'm gonna laugh a lot and like, I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's preaching.
Hansa virus.
I can feel it's gonna come.
Hansa namhlanje.
Iphelele Hansa virus.
But you know, it's okay, gents. Make a viral clip. When I go, what I would do, I would clip you, dog. If you had to khohlela like me.
I did clip umngani kaSlender sinikhumbula uLulamanje ngoba bekapreach. Angamclip.
Yeah, mina ndana ngiclip. It's fine.
You know what we need for each lanam? We need clippers, dog. Do you know that?
Nah, but they'll do it themselves one day. Ukhona umuntu ozoboreka. Khona le ufuna ukusanimate angithi.
Oh yeah. Because like I'm at
Shout out. Maqala mele uziclipele.
That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, I see you got a lot of clips.
But manje ne, the thing is once we get clippers, we won't like benefit from it. Because abantu prefer ukubukela lawo ma clip lawo instead of the whole episode.
From that clip they go to the channel. That's the thing. phela ukukhumbula ama clip ane they do their own work
Okay.
over le part lena beka I find it interesting ngala ukuthi yenzwe yimi
I was watching a podcast yabo McGene and then they were complaining ukuthi these clippers they just take a clip and then
they don't give credit.
numbers like
oh,
the
yeah,
clip
they
will
don't give
actually
credit.
get more numbers than
the pod
episode.
yeah
Meaning ukuthi abantu they can just watch it and enjoy.
Yeah.
I understand. And then they create a whole narrative around you.
yeah
That's the problem.
Yeah, that happens, Fede.
yeah
Mara, me, I wanna know, Fede, who's in your team? Like, who's the team?
we got class to the T them
Okay.
we got the pretty boy
Eddie boy.
head boy wenzani manje heady boy when
Wait, this is written deputy head boy.
we deputy vele yabo
Guy.
Yeah, and then-
there's me and there's the voice is not around
Yeah, I know
today she
the
had to
voice.
go to funeral Fede who else Mahlazi who am I missing now first lady yeah oh now who's in position though
So, Maya, what does bro do?
he's the camera operator Fede
Okay.
Shout it to the T to
That's to the
one.
T to the Y. Sharpa Snap Productions. That's him, Fede.
Okay.
And then,
And then I always see him here. What does he do?
these are the friends of the podcast. This guy's like,
The reactors.
yeah.
Yeah,
Like it's nice to have an audience while you're doing
yeah,
this.
it's nice
Yeah,
to
yeah.
homies and
You know, sometimes when you kulumi joke, and then
yeah, but
it goes that man.
But either way, Untana, what I've noticed, he actually always like
Has
goes with,
input.
the content that we're
Yeah.
talking about. So he always poses questions,
Yeah,
asks
yeah.
about things,
Yeah.
and then I comment in what we say. He's one of those people who uyakwazi ukuthula, unlike some people I know here. And then bangene like when needed, which bangene, I understand.
Yeah.
Like is our ghost guy anyway, ne? You can say that.
Anyway, he always has like challenging questions for the
Yeah.
pod. Yabona njengalo question ukuthi ungibuza yona who's the team I'm like esemkhohliwe. So that's what he does Fede. Yeah. Umaka yena uthe yena ke star.
oh, you star, God.
Yeah, usho kanjalo.
Respect that, dog.
Ale podcast le ngeke ifike kona hour le hayi.
Hey dog.
Hey guys, yo, please don't cancel us.
Too late.
Too late
the
mfana.
podcast.
Too late.
Amara mina
Oh! On that note, bafana ntwana.
Let's start that.
Stalenda.
Hugo Bros Matala. Ukwatela apartheid dog. Yini ukuthi phelile? Come on dog. You can't bet to opening game. 5 players,
Eka lo.
5 defenders.
Lo muntu
dog.
ufake amakhaladi.
Back.
Ufake amakhaladi. Wonke lamakhaladi afile. Lamakhaladi labe ngawafakile. Afile.
Uba nabo Adams.
Yabona uWilliams. Le mangahlangana nayo face to face ntwana.
I get indaba ka Williams.
Nah, bro.
What about Lily Foster dog?
Uya Foster vele. Uya Foster
There was
vele.
an episode I asked you gathi uyaphi Lily Foster?
But shout out, like I watched that Fede and like yo, Fede we lost, yo.
We lost.
I watched that whole
ntwana.
match, Fede, and yo,
2 red cards.
I predicted that loss. I won't lie. When it started, I was like, oh, Abaga scored. Oh,
Hayi ntwana.
and then but there's this one player that tried that stood out in the
Mbogazi.
match. Yeah, the guy that
Mbogazi,
the
bro.
guy that he got picked for that All-Star thing.
Yeah, with me saying
I even when I saw that match, I was like, okay, but this guy is nice.
Yeah, that guy
I
plays.
see him
too.
there. He's
Yeah.
trying to score.
We are
bro.
player. Where is he
Our
from?
first
He's just in the wrong
Our
country.
first shot on target, we got it from him.
From him, a defender.
Yeah.
Ufirst you Foster le phambili.
I feel you. Fede, let us
You
down,
have to understand one thing. Now I'm blaming Williams for the first goal.
Joe, don't even blame Williams, dog. Blame the coach. And then he says, "Good, we had a good game." How?
Which one?
Joe, I'm interviewing La Pen and was like, good game. It was a good match.
That's me ngicela.
Joe, like how? Joe, we were terrible against a Mexico side that's not even offensive that much.
Hayi mara they were attacking him fan.
Dog, they were
Listen,
attacking.
Matsuli Paula
You
Bezapambi.
understand? They were attacking because you didn't have creative players.
Yeah.
There was a gap, like space, a center,
center,
dog.
yeah.
No creative. Immediately feel the young, defensive.
Let me tell you, they gave us a squad lana ne. But he Fede goalkeeper Williams mara mina bengithi bamkhiphe ne. Ku left bafake uMutiba ne.
Yeah,
Left back.
yeah.
Center back uMbokazi noSibisi. Ngada ku right back uJubani Umudawu. And then
No, not go right center back.
Right back.
Akon.
angithi ngitshela le ngibheke
Oh, yabas guy yona ukuthi
someone
benze
yeah
benjani.
kumele badlale le
Okay.
yeah so ngapha ku right uMutawu and then the center center wethu Adams noMukwena and then center attacking kube uMfukeng.
Joe.
and then go left.
Okay,
Uzu,
please-
let me
please-
finish. Let me
please pause,
finish.
Ntwana ne.
Yeah.
Sizohamba ngayo.
Yeah.
Dog, do you know ukuthi umfukeng bamlethela ama scouts we Bayer Leverkusen ukuthi
They
azombhekela.
didn't even play.
Dog 0 minutes. The face of South African football.
Yeah.
Which one? The kid?
Yeah.
The kid,
That
yeah.
young guy, the light-skinned guy.
Yeah. Mufukeng. Yeah, he's light skin yeah.
Him,
The boy
light-skinned.
with the braces.
Yeah,
Mufukeng,
Ntwana
yeah.
le. I mean, why bangayifaka Ntwana le? Why didn't they play that kid?
Coach une apartheid.
Ale out le ya.
Ale ya.
Le kwatela ukuthi apartheid ipheli.
So on the left wing bathi bungumele bafaka uMuremi.
Dog.
Ku center forward bafaka uReyners and ngapha ku right wing bafaka apolice wayangadlalanga.
Muremi 0 minutes. A police unika 20.
Bafaka uZwane.
Guy in the face right now. Like I thought he was gonna play. I'm like, where's that kid that I'm always seeing?
Nah, the coach-
wearing the kit
You
on
know-
the billboards.
Yeah.
You know?
That's Mufukeng vele.
Our number 10,
Yabona-
our star, the face of South African football.
Asibona ngane
Unika
face.
0 minutes.
Let's move
He
on
didn't
from
even play,
soccer.
bruh.
Let's move on from
Tana,
soccer.
there's this
Ntwana.
heartbreaking
He didn't even
picture,
play.
Tana. He's just standing there. Yambona Ntwana with his heartbroken.
Amara vele bokuyisono
Mara
ngani.
Ntwana Hugo process blood in his hands. Dog.
Hey. But Elon Musk uzoba yitrillionaire.
He's already a trillionaire.
He's not.
Yeah, he's not yet, but
He's on his way.
he's
I
almost-
was looking at the Twitter.
He's on his way.
He's on his way. Yeah.
So basically angazi ukuthi bayofile for ini kanjani Wednesday.
but
The
don't
biggest-
you think that money is not good for your mental health?
Already is crazy.
Hey,
man.
Baba.
I don't want
No
that much
amount of money is
dog.
not good for your mental health.
Ah, no.
Look at me now. If I didn't go one time.
I
Hey, bangazodlala.
mean, you know what you're gonna do? Okay. What are you gonna do? What's the first thing you're doing? You got Elon's money. What are you
So
doing?
nigga 1 million need to twerk.
You.
Is that the first thing you're doing, dog?
Yeah, twerk. You twerk is
Yeah,
amount
but don't give this guy the money, man.
Yeah,
No, don't give this guy the money,
No,
bro.
dog, I won't lie. I won't change the world, but I will change my life and the people around me.
Yeah.
Angeke sibe ne problem is sound because we'll get the best equipment.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind sponsoring shit
Say around me.
around me, dog. Oh, when we are
Wena kusho ukuthi asekho around wena. Okay. Uyazikhipha yambo.
yes,
Yaqosha. Ngicabanga trillion.
I mean,
trillion.
personally, I don't want that much money, bro. Me, I'm good with just give me $200 million. I'm good, dog.
Akusi billion something.
yeah,
like that.
$200 million.
$200 dog.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Get
Yeah.
that money into
Rands, you're a billionaire in rands. I just want to be a billionaire in rands.
Isn't
I'm
that too
cool.
much money?
I'm cool with not
That's
being.
not too much.
It's not too much. Nah, that's
a billion,
good.
dog.
Ibillioning ngayiceda in 1 month mean.
Hey.
Every day bad.
Okay, Mara, it makes sense.
Every day
Hurry,
bad.
hurry.
Billion in 1 month.
Yes, let's put
Aye,
it.
baba, ngeke
How they should
billion in
finish.
1 month.
Mamela, let's put it
Okay,
in
yeah, but
hindsight.
if you do something crazy like do malls all over, make malls all over.
I don't make malls baba. Umuntu engihlangana naye, boy, McDonald's, yeah, khalitsi McDonald's 1 million.
Nah,
Ah, hey, 30 billion.
no.
Ingaphela in a month,
Yasmina,
boy.
Yasmina,
That's
I'd support
normal.
you.
That's bare minimum.
Mina I'd support you in ngathi sibeka like in a fantasy world yabo ukuthi everything uyithenga uyayithola manje if let's say uthenga indlu uyithola manje because ungakhohlwa ukuthi if uzothenga indlu namhlanje ukuyithola namhlanje ama processes nan
Ngine billion ama processes.
aw dog
Ngiyayibhadala indlu ngibhadala umuntu ongithengisela ukuthi ahambe. Hayi ba. I do everything same time.
Amaphepha
Awezemali.
amaphepha enzani ukuthi wabe wami
Spain City ukusuka la uya lapha isikhathi
Isikhathi ngiyaflya boy ngehelicopter
uyithole nini
manje.
kuphi
Same time.
eOslo
hayi kodwa une-BM use-Oslo
Ndoda.
naye yangena ibhiliyoni
Sihleli kaso.
you need to finish it
Ngiyahamba ngiyafaka nge-PTA.
guys it's calm
Yazi sengispende emalini mengiceda ukungena.
nge-OR Tambo.
Yazi mengingena ngiceda ukuspenda emalini. Khona manje sengisendele nonke ama 25,000. Mengingena.
why 25 awusinditshwe
Hayi mamelani. Mamelani wait.
nge 1 million
Wait. Wait.
You know how you
Wait.
keep money. You know how you keep money. You
Wait,
by being
wait.
greedy and stingy, dog. That's how you keep money.
Mara I'm not trying to keep it angithi. Yazi ama 25,001. Ngizikhipheni kwamanje. Sohlangana later mangibukuthenga indlu.
yenza damage control
Yeah, damage control ukuthi ninganginaki yabo. Hamba ngenze into zami ngithenge iViano, ngithenge yabo bese mangibuya ke.
iViano ne-B.
Ntwana iViano ngiyayifuna boy.
Ufuna iViano?
Yeah boy.
Hayi mina
Mara ile trapasi.
we take you to buy
Jani
that
ngine-B.
piano
Same day.
Same day, exact a day.
No,
You understand?
you don't even
My
take
man,
an
it's
hour.
smart, guys.
Tanga mang
Spend
nepi,
that
ngithenga
money.
i-Rolls Royce Cullinan. Futhi tanga, not even mang nepi. I-Rolls Royce Cullinan 20 million. I-Rolls Royce Cullinan tana 20 million. Wena tana unepi usabheka iViana.
Mamela, ngithenge imensura ngithi relax. Ngithenge imensura ngiyabuya ngiyarelax dog. Mamela, bese mangibuya ngithi asambenza ujayiva bangani bami. Asijayive lokushina sisaye ekoneni hayi. Sele kude boy. Shout out ekoneni kumnandi ne. Mara manginebhillion angisayi lapha. Hayi.
Ngithenga mina nginishayela open bar ekonini.
Ah. Sizobuya after 7 days.
I won't lie, Tens. Me, Fede, open bar for my friends and the ladies. If I don't know you, no open bar.
Ndoda bayingakho abantu baziye eklapini.
Yeah, bye bye.
Uyasho ukuthi isekele yakho. Mina inyenge ngicambela amanga abafethu. Yangena lo B, ngiyanikhohlwa nonke ecala ngiyenzela umndeni wami. Fuck lento ukuthi abangani hey bamanje mayiphela le mali zonyamalala wa umndeni is forever. So ngiyahamba ngiyethengela abazali izindlu ezi3 ukuthi makabhorekile aye kule simple. Afterwards khana ngasho ukuthi staff mabele. Happy birthday nje yami.
So my tana.
Ngithengela mabele. Amaningi.
Come on now. And I didn't want to mention this on the pod. Now you're poor now. Sebazoyimarka le date ukuthi oh. And Octave next year.
16 namhlanje.
Oh, namhla is 16. Oh, is 16 yeah, is 16 boy yeah.
June 16.
What do you know about June 16 then?
June 16
That is for the
angithi
youth.
what? Khona lo bebamkukile.
Hector Peterson.
Hector Peterson was the one that was cooking the person mas. Or uyo lo bebamkukile.
But ngathi uye bebamkukile ne.
Uyo bekakukile ne. I'm right. Kwe. As no ngikhumbule bani ngikhumbule ukhabonini. Into nibonile le episode leya. Sure dog. She would have ate this episode now if it with the uniform. Yeah.
I was telling her via DM with you. I'm so sad that I missed that episode.
Yeah.
Yo,
No,
that episode
I think she has to come back. Angijokhumbula no sisanga top 2.
Yeah.
Remember what was the purpose of Stock month?
Oh yeah.
We have the top 2 Kayla no Carbonine. I made the unanimous vote ni one endlini ngathi
Oh, by the way, dog. Happy birthday, dog.
Yeah, thanks my brother. Thanks.
I mean, I'm going to tell you.
Ay wena ungiposte na ku Instagram.
Everywhere. I love you, my friend.
Mara fuck you bangani bami.
As a poster.
Abangani bami bapost utoti. Ansang posting serious like tanga everyone ntwana ungiposta. Ntanga like yacaba what's going on ne. Right now mangibheka ama status lawa wonke lawa dane. It's either I am drunk or I am drinking.
Oh, phakathi kwamabele.
Or inside the bellies. Imagine too. Ay, ntwana. Ay, dog you.
Dog, what was happening that day, dog? What was happening that day?
You know what happened same day, Fede? Same day I was drunk. You could remember same day we drank a Crystal Pale.
Oh yeah.
After the Crystal Pale, there was the first watch. Savannah, Gali. I test if first watch the Codins, the McKenla Codins. I must figure le point years ukuthi yakhepula le nhloko. Sengitaki ngilokunyajaya lapha yana. Bakhalisa le ngoma le uzo.
Uyaphi like
Lo sisilo bekahleli ngapha emuva. Kusho ukuthi bekazibhekela istaff rose ukuthi hayi.
Stop bro. Kana simpothini nje.
Yebo baye ukuthi hayi ngihamba naye. Akathi ngebhadi vele angishaya ngomunye.
Phela nto ngibona uyangena. Hawu uyahleka kancane nje. Usawaletha uyangena.
Uyawaletha futhi.
Hey guy, dog, did you see that video, dog?
Which video?
Akayibonanga Romena.
Post production.
Yenzanda.
We were dancing in
Idlala emabeleni.
ndoda. Ile ngoma le amabele. Awukuthi bongasibelebele lebedlala. Ile yaka lihleza. Shaya sishaya amabele emsweni ndoda. Yishaya. Oh yeah, hard boy. Ngicine kudala le ngoma. Yeah, that's all. So ayithe malokisha kanjalo. Ibele liza kimi kanje ndoda. Eish.
Uyarapha ndoda.
Yeah, I'm a rapper, dog.
What?
Very random.
I'm not shy. Like, I just don't dance. The only thing I can't do is dance. But anything else,
Uyabanda lento.
Ashanga freestyle fit.
Freestyle.
Yeah, I mean I want it.
I was a shy capel.
Okay.
When I blow up, I'ma make a rain, make a change, leave a stain on the game so you never forget the name. It's Roman the biblical. Everything is organic like minerals. Everything's so platonic, hypnotic, it's Greek methodic logic. It's obviously ticking all the boxes and
Oh!
ticking everything in the straight of room.
Yeah, English there ning.
I'm a heavy hitter, the place spitter, everybody knows. Say my name 5 times for a miracle. My niggas some monster sinners, we all just dealers. I could have bid for the chinchillas, realer. Cause when we hop inside the campus, they feel us. But they ain't seen nothing, they really gon' feel us. I let you beat your chest to really gorilla. Me and my niggas should be really the millers. A couple beat downs with a couple beginners. I'm not impressed, I'm not assessed. I'm not amused by your polished shack. It's legendary corny like Nick Cannon. I'm legendary horny for money like adolescents for Megan Thee Stallion. I'm coming hard, it's gonna make me a felon.
Umeke nesitayela wenzeni?
Ngizochillazi.
Like Robert Kelly, I'm the the Brad movie.
Uyenzeni umekeni? Yo shit dog.
But the way I'm going,
really
they gon' have this
I listen to rap ne.
Yo.
Shime ngizamile. Hey, yabona ukuthi mamela ipiano kakhulu. Sengicabanga uScott manje. Emalayitini angisezwa nix.
Chichi.
Vum.
Gone kanje. Sigcine lapha ama-talk really dope dog.
No,
So do you release music vele? Like
Yeah,
All
yeah. All
DSPs,
platforms,
yeah.
all DSPs, yeah.
vele under Roman Sika vele.
Yeah,
with 2 eyes.
2 eyes.
That is for no Roman.
Is it 2 eyes or
2 eyes, dog. CIIGAR.
ngiyadlala nge 2 eyes?
Into to Roman Sika dog.
Roman, no, Roman.
Cadence nje, cadence blind nje.
No, I think Roman came with LSD for the first time. Baqala ukuzala.
Yeah.
And then he told me about him and everything. So it's a long content la bafana bayalo because they always appear on my FYP.
Yeah,
Abu late, yeah. So I'm like, man, you lebe hamba no LSD man. Into mina ngimthole. Ngakatshela usanda utamfonela. Yeah, elondelu kensane la uslenda. Kusekasi lakho la.
Oh, Kavana no sled.
Apparently.
Oh, Slender, yeah, I'm tough.
Ah man, on that note, yabo LSD. Guys, kanti kwenzakaleni kulo mjito oshonile? You guys were attending
The funeral,
today.
yeah.
What happened, Joe? I heard he was stabbed.
Mahlati got stabbed over
Oh,
weed,
man.
bro.
Hayi lo bafethu, hayi lona ne.
Yeah, weed or cigarettes. Cigarettes or
Cigarette?
something. Yeah.
Bamkwazela ugwayi.
Yeah, bamkwazela ugwayi.
Bomkhulu ugwayi or kwenza.
Why?
Bamkwazela ipondo.
Wait, that's
Was it-
crazy
was it-
actually. What was happening ukuthi
iRemington. Bamkwazela iRemington. Ugwayi 1 rand.
ukwayeka malema?
Shit, ntana mahlatsi. Wena nisilana na ufikile lapho yo. Bafethu, this is sad, Fade.
This is sad, guys.
Yeah, Mahlati, man. RP Mahlati, Flame. Me, I knew him as Flame. Yo, when he came to my house,
Yeah.
he said, yo, bro, I'm Flame.
Because mina ngimazi he's my Facebook friend, Fade.
Bangathi nonke niyamazi, why mina bengingamazi kanti?
Mina mangimazi like personally. But
Remember when we went to go watch the Pirates and Chiefs game?
yeah.
Because like,
Yeah.
came and greeted us.
Oh, I saw man no buswala umchita bufe.
Ufamile, sure. Icava manje dasekasi.
Yini uthuka umchita wathe wena?
Bamkwazela ugwayi.
No, I have a story. Can
Yeah, you can.
Nayi mic lapha ku Pretty.
Mara ngicela uyibambe.
Here's the story. She has the story.
Yeah.
Tell us.
Out like Roman. Sika.
So what happened is apparently
Kabuz.
okay, wait.
Yeah, you can continue.
So apparently bebamile eKasi.
Yeah.
Qeda ukusha izolo.
So bafuna ushaya press up.
Bafuna ukushaya iprezaphi ngogwayi. So uGayi Bastille.
One.
Lo mkwazile.
Oh,
Yeah,
lo mkwazela
Bastille.
ipastilla.
Bayithe une bipolar apparently.
Yeah.
Bakhipha press release ukuthi une bipolar.
Bastille.
Si bipolar
And-
bamtakisa ama drugs awo.
And then he
Yeah,
went
I'm sorry.
there,
Oh.
and then makafika laphayana wabizela uMahlathi emasayitini. It's like no dog. Kanti makambizela esayitini uphethe
Uyamhlaba.
ibhodlela eliphukile. And
Umhlabela ugwayi. Amanye
So bambizele site ngihambani? Yeah.
mabambiza esayitini yeah nginquntsha ugwayi ini ungahleki you laughing
I'm
and
not laughing. It's fucked up, Joe. Like, kwazela ugwayi.
stupid.
Very stupid, Joe.
It is. So makafika kuGayi yeah ugwayi ini bathatha lebhodlela libeka liphethe
Yeah.
umshaya la kule vein.
Put it here. If you don't want, take your baby, put them in the
And then
microwave.
he went wahamba ngisho baba namajini baqeda ukubhema izolo. You guys have laughed.
No, like I'm paying attention. Yeah.
Imagine how I died because of that. Bensohleka emncabeni wami.
It's stupid. Umgwaze ugwayi mfethu.
So maqeda umgwaza wazibamba wahamba waya emajitini. Makafika emajitini. Collapse.
Yo.
Yena kwaye.
That was child, vele. I better when you put the knife here, vele.
What's
Yeah, wahamba waya emajitini. Makafika emajitini. It was like
yo?
Yeah, vele, when you put the knife here.
Thank you, Slam.
When you put the knife here, it's child, vele. That's fucked up, vele.
How
It's my dad.
take your life for.
Oh, by the way,
Now,
the gun and the guy.
Araboshang.
Ulaphe Telemukhwana.
Telemukhrane, yeah.
In le.
The hospital, live 14.
Yeah, man, tabahlangene.
Use yeah. Use psychod.
Oh, sesayquad.
Yeah, bamthathile waye ku psychod and I feel like that's like
That's lenient, Joe.
yeah.
Mele bamyise.
No, that guy has to go to jail, dog.
He needs to go to jail.
No, that guy, he killed someone and he's not going to jail.
Devil's advocate.
Oh, Maratina.
Devil's advocate.
Maratina. Easy. Maratina. Mas, when we're drinking and driving, bafuna kusisejele same time.
Awuhlanya ngithi.
Awuhlanye it's a mamela before uzophuza uyenza i-drink.
Mara mawubulala umuntu.
Mamela my guy. Let me tell you.
Okay, nami ngiyahlaya ke drink and driving ngiyahlaya. I'm drinking and driving ngoba ngiyahlaya. Like gents angeke gents.
I understand your frustration, man. But
no, that
the
guy
law
is
says
going to
ukuthi
jail,
they have to
Reevaluate, yeah.
ukutshengisa ukuthi were you in a sane mind ukuthi uyenze leyo decision. No, that's why abanye abantu they evade lezi zinto lezi like ama crimes wabo because they are not trained emedula.
Yazi mina ngathini mina ne ngike ngikhola le joke bengihlala ngithanda ngiyenza ukuthi mina mangingaboshwa.
Yeah.
Bedinya ecourt. Ngithi uzobathela bangizela ne peanut butter.
Benzeni?
Bangizela ne peanut butter. Mangingena la ecourt. Ngiya ku Judge Street. Ngifike ngimshaya ngayo. Ihlale la. Ngeke ngisayijele. Yeah, ngiyahlanya.
Ukuthi ba evaluate dog like they take you to a special yabona njengontwana abathi bami ethole emkhorani bami evaluate and then they can
say okay
from there ukuthi untwana vele is not of sane mind.
Maka yena akusukuhlanya lokhu ukuthi uzalwe ahlanya or something like that. Ama drugs.
Ama drugs.
Upasti.
But then uzombopha njani umuntu uzombopha njani umuntu ohlanyayo dog
bayababopha baningi la lokushini ababophile bayabhema iCrystal la nyabazi mina akubamba manje nxa ungazoshaya ngophe ama drugs
psychod
mele bamcheck system no mele bamcheck system bamtest ukuthi unani ngaphakathi systemini yakhe
okay
yeah
that's a point
le out yebhema le there's no way ngakwazi umuntu ibayiphola nje awunaso lesibili sokwazi umuntu no bayipola manje nokuhlanya kancane nje bese uyabuya ba great
yeah yabuya
nje.
But another thing intwana engithusayo dog what's going on with this thing of girls going missing dog girls are going missing now what's going on guys
it's crazy
yathusa twana like from the northwest dog lapha engifunde khona valley
yeah
to ekasi there's ubani konje untokozo
yeah guys ish mina simfuneni lo
no like yo guys
you know what's the factor part ngalento le okhuluma ngayo no ne Pretty boy during the week uposta lento leyo ukuthi abantu aba missing eFoslo siyahlangana nabo thina enkwarini sibuza nabo masimbuza ukuthi waya nga endlini athi it's personal aqedile uposta nabantu missing how do you do that Joe
sorry guys
no you know what happened there's this post that's like going around ukuthi abantu base Foslo when they are missing sihlangana nabo enkwarini simbuza ukuthi wawu nga endlini bakufuna athi no it's personal and then this guy goes ahead and posts someone who's actually missing dog
no dog,
right after posting that
I understand how it looks like but Joe I didn't think about it I just saw the post
unto kusala kuphi
ephumula
hlala ephumula
yes
ushifo zanda force lokusalayo ulahleke kuphi ahlanga Christian
bathi ulahleke ayiChristian no mara like I wasn't making a joke guys
yeah, we understand you're not making a joke
like,
mara it looked like
think about it like that jabona I didn't even think ukuthi yaphosisa so khona ngitshengisa ukuthi ntanga kuno staff contact yakho dog
ntwana
I didn't know guy yo but guys please man be safe please be safe
was she using an Uber
I don't know dog I don't know the full story but then
we need to get the full story umazi Ayinayo walahleka.
Update.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's an update.
Akasitshela
Apparently,
ukuthi
let me. Where's nayi la. But
Mazwi.
uthunjwe ama-Ethiopian nama-Malawian
Okay.
abahambe.
Abahamba. What if lento yokuthunjwa kwamantombazana it's in retaliation of lento yabahamba?
Yamazi. I think ile abahambe.
Because ever since dog waqala lento leyo, a lot of girls have been gone missing dog like.
Konje ubani lo sisi lo advocate la nto le uJacinta ne?
Yeah, it's just
Ayinayo ufikile loyo.
and then kuba uphakela kube no
Lezi zamazulu lezi. One thing I don't like about those niggas ne bayenza ngathi yeah yithi siphethe lento. Hayi maye masimasha mina sanele wena. Unokusikhomba endaweni wrong. Asini ngapha. Amashangana ngapha. There's song as the Shanganese.
Ew, stuff.
Ngithe amasonga nenhliziyo encane. You're crashing out now. Amasonga ngamniki mic amasonga nenhliziyo encane man.
Every day kule pod le sikhuluma ngamashangana. Why?
Uyishangane wena?
No uyahamba ngede.
Camera. Ngicela nithatheni mic aye.
Uyahamba ngede. Maka angithandi lento yena.
You are songa they are Shanganese.
Shangani dog.
Uyahamba ke nawe.
I'm Shangani.
Now uyahamba ke yamona yazi expose. Jacinta nimzwila ngithi
It's my key.
so ntanga vele lento le into ngisho ukuthi manje ukufika lapha ngibona amaphoyisa agijima phambili ndoda le khona le qinile le yomzulu le khona le enye
Phakela mthakathi.
khona le enye ithi yona our boys are going to Mexico they are gonna come back soon ongizwe loyo ayilishayile nata into gonna come back soon ngithi so bayodliwa kahle kahle makuthi ngivarshe ngathi bekaqala
Guy. Yo.
ngathi bekaqala
Zakhala, mara Zakhala like see cars are even missing. They stole.
even cuz
Yeah,
They stole Lady Do's little bro's car.
Oh, mntana kama lady do. Ne.
bamtshontshe
Bathi
ikar.
reward ye 20,000. Guys.
Sebayistriphile manje.
yazi kwenzakalani ngale ndaba leyo ne ngizosho something engamelanga ngisho on camera
Pigs.
what are pigs doing
Amaphoyisa.
pigs are missing khuluma ngale pig le last week ayi wena yabhora wena
Yeah.
sibone babona ingulube idlule ebona ekasila ka Solomon ekasila ka Solomon bukhona ingulube edlulayo la njengoba sishuta la size la khamoni khona ingulube edlulile la mara indaba yakale yitu niyacabitha mara kale yitu
Yeah, Uchok. Yeah.
Choko bekayenzani
Uchoko muphi lo?
Beka spin.
Goodfellas.
yeah
Yeah, bega spin.
Akusuke ngathi lo bakudubula.
no akusuki
Badubula
ujobe lo ujobe una
Oh, shit.
Beka una iwana
Okay, askis
so
disturb here.
apparently according to ikas allegedly according to the hood
Yeah.
ne untwana bekashaya naye
Ubani?
imoto, uchoko
Uchok bega shy.
apparently
Bekashaya-
allegedly
Allegedly ungathi apparently not.
allegedly bekashaya imoto according to the hood bekashaya imoto so since angasekho I retaliation from those guys
Oh, it makes sense why bathi that's why avule into scrap yard.
yeah and Z2 ne khona lesa lapha before bazoyenza ama wood shop lapha yana ngayibe bayenza imoto bastrip imoto la
Yo guys, this is all alleged.
no the alleged part ile
Alleged.
ushaya imoto that's the alleged part
Okay.
but then bekana amalede ngayithula bastrip imoto khona
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
lapha.
Goodfellas nala ngase boxer
Isesekhona le box.
still there
Still
there yeah it's all
Bengicaba
but
vele
this is
le
alleged
Goodfellas.
yeah let's maka no it's a wood shop now
Yeah.
sebenza ama
Baka
plan
lady too.
Lapha
baba
Goodfellas.
lady 2 lo uchoko mara
They
according to the-
stole, I heard they stole Lady Do's Audi A3 and they stole Sipo's Benz.
usipho something kama like
Whoa. Baqale ngo lady too kanti.
Batale weSipo ne Audi A3 sebayitshontshile manje.
Audi A3. Yaban.
Event, it was Sipo first and then after was
shit
They should already three.
baqale ngosipho baza
Yeah, now I can see.
yeah ibona manje
Fit.
so now it looks like bonke labantu bekabashaya according to the hood
Yeah.
again I'm saying hayi ukuthi yimi ngishoyo
Yeah.
Allegedly.
these are the views of force lo yeah abantu bayakhuluma la ngaphandle
Allegedly.
sibale ethona because lento lethe may drop on the news ekasi bese siyazi already yeah ethona mase ifika kuma tabloid asokulate mfana xa uchoko vele dala bashaya nabo bayamshaya manje bamshaya kanjani afile
Uchoko ushonile.
Uthi my
Ushonile.
kids are
Uchoko.
now
oh
What happened?
Tata.
Ashon. What happened?
I don't know how he died though.
Yeah.
I don't know how he
I
died.
also don't know. That. Didn't he die? He got sick or some shit.
Yeah.
No, he didn't die by the gun.
Yeah,
okay.
He didn't die
it was
by
not
the
something
time.
serious.
Here's one thing I've noticed. Ne? If you take a deep dive into the background, the artists, famous,
Yeah.
you'd find out what they are really linked with a lot of like serious people.
Yeah.
People that like,
Umekji ngithi na you confess live on his podcast ukuthi na cheese boy.
Make cheese boy.
make cheese boy baba ke ngathi mshele something
Yeah.
or umkhulu wakhe.
I didn't know. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ugrindile for the shit, dog. Uvele wavumbuka
Lo
phela.
muntu bekafunda ama Parktown dog.
I didn't know, dog. Didn't know.
But he did grind. Doesn't mean if you're a cheese boy, you don't grind, dog. Like, I feel like people think maybe when you're a cheese boy, you don't grind. Like, what did his dad do?
Yeah, advocate la cheese boy.
Nah, I'm not a cheese boy.
You know what?
Nah.
You know what's my chat name?
But like, wait, I was still talking like,
Yeah.
what did Mac G's dad do?
We don't know.
You see,
No, I think
it was not
that's-
a podcaster. Was he a
that's
famous
it.
podcaster?
No.
Yeah, Mac
He
G
grinded
has
for the podcast.
Yeah, Mac G
Yeah.
has a big platform, like on YouTube, which is a podcast.
Okay,
and
he started
being a
from
cheese
the
boy
ground, yeah.
doesn't make you have a big podcast.
Maria
Mara,
push.
platform.
It does give
gives
you an
like
edge.
an elevation. Yeah.
No,
Ikufana ngaphansi ku-elevate kushiyeke ku-second floor.
Dog,
no.
dog,
Serious?
dog. Wena kimi baba nemali angeke uqale phansi njengomuntu ukuthi kiba bana nix. You understand?
It's like,
That's what we're saying, Tina. We're not saying
Maybe Ngemali.
Yeah, that's the
I'm
whole
looking at
chat.
his platform.
no, listen, Nenjam, let me put it in like simple. Ne? Asithola abantu abayi-2, oyi-1 cheese boy, oyi-1 is just like uyagrinda.
Yeah,
As a cheese boy ne, mawuzothi ngifuna podcast kusasa, equipment seyiphelele.
yeah.
Lona mina athenge mic eyi-1 or i2.
You understand?
Athola i-connection, athola abantu ozosipana nabo. You're not paying anyone.
Cheese boys oveli
Cheese boy ivele landa umuntu onama-camera yonke in-setup ephelele 9,500 boy asicale.
Mtshele 1475.
But have you seen Mac G's first setup?
It was outside.
Yeah, it was chill. It was just
Mara, there was lighting though.
just chilling. Yeah, there was lighting. Yeah.
Yeah? That's my mom, dog.
I went to see her. She sang happy birthday.
I woke
Karabo
up
ko kae?
endlini.
Se re rekile kuku.
You can
America.
I woke up at home, dog. Like ushilo ukuthi happy birthday, dog. Yeah. And then she went to a funeral naye.
I'm sure you want to say it again.
Ukuthi happy
Did you
birthday.
go to a funeral today?
Who me? No, dog. Nah, mina ma funeral I don't do good vele. Ay. Ngicabanga ukukhala sometimes. Yeah. Emngcwabeni I don't go to funeral. I-funeral isilungu yabona saphela ngishilo ukuthi kusawazi. I-funeral yomuntu engamazi angikuye. Yeah, I don't do that, don. Ay. Yeah.
Roman cigar.
What's up?
Has a chick ever cheated on you, dog?
Yeah.
I'm sure it is
And then-
track lo. Fuck you bitch like. Ngisho
Bekavali ye distract lo mchita lo.
Yeah, but I apparently do have.
Ngathi ungashiswa yini usayenza isayida ngonyela lo again. But yeah, dog, coming to that, dog.
Yeah.
What is the reason? Have you ever asked the Uti like why I cheated?
there's never
No,
a
I didn't
reason.
ask. You know what I did when
There's
she
never
cheated
a
on me, bro? I acted like I didn't know, and then I wanted to just play a long game because that really broke my heart. Because I'm really sensitive, so just cheating on me really broke my heart. So I was like, let me just keep quiet and just play the long game and see how I can get her back. You feel me? And
You
then
wanted
I
to
just
get her
ended
back?
up, and then I just ended up not get her back to be my girl. Get break her heart too. Because so I found out that she cheated, and then she didn't know that I knew.
Umbhebhile.
Oh, ngiyazi ukuthi angazi ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ngiyazi.
Young Todd.
Umbhebhile.
She didn't know that
Wait, after
I know
finding
she
out,
cheated.
did you still like sleep with her?
Yeah, but
Dog.
bro, listen,
This guy's like, yeah, but
listen.
Kanama, bro.
I acted like
Oh,
I
cheated.
didn't know.
Kanya.
So you went back there and fucked raw, vele.
Nah.
Again. Angeke.
I
Oh,
just
you can't
acted
eat
like
your
I didn't
can.
know. Listen,
We're listening.
I just acted like I didn't know. I played the long game,
Alright.
and then I don't know, something during the relationship happened naturally on my birthday. And that really broke her heart, but I didn't even mean for that to break her heart.
Tell us what happened.
So, bro, she hosted a surprise party
On her birthday, ne?
on my birthday.
On your birthday, okay. Yeah.
And then when she does a surprise party for me, dog, when she leaves, I hooked up with like, you know, like some females, a lot of females.
Females.
On that day.
I didn't do it on purpose. I was like lit. And then
Oh.
and then like something was trending on WhatsApp. You know, remember things used to trend on WhatsApp?
Yeah,
It
before,
was trending on
yeah.
before WhatsApp. It was trending that on WhatsApp that me, yeah. And then it got to
Wait,
her. Then she was
what's-
crying
what's-
there on WhatsApp. She was caught
What's with
VNs, crying and stuff. And I didn't orchestrate that. It happened naturally. So I basically got her back. And then
Hey,
she
khuluma
still
isiLungu, lendoda.
doesn't know that. Like she still didn't know that I knew she cheated.
Oh, akazi ukuthi
Yeah,
yazi
listen,
ukuthi
she
wena
still didn't
uyazi.
know. Around that time, she still didn't know. And then she forgave me for that. And then we dated, and then it ended. And then I don't know. The next year, she hits me up randomly. She's like, Roman, so when I cheated on you with so and so,
You knew.
and I was like, yeah. Why didn't you tell me?
Ngitshele
Ngaba
la.
nama serial killer. I wouldn't be able to stomach
me,
that
bro,
shit.
that's like
This is like
I'm
serial
not
killer
really-
vibes, dog. Like you
Nah, I wasn't just.
this is serial killer vibes.
You can't say
Kusho ukuthi wena I can kill your friend right now. Uthule uhleli nami ngaso
Relax just to see ukuthi uzophelela laphi.
Yeah.
Shit. Yes.
You know why I'm asking that? You know I always have this gackles, But then let me read this thing. So a girl slept with his boyfriend's friend, ne? A girl slept with his boyfriend's friend after the boyfriend left the party and
Yeah.
argued that she thought the friend was him, as they sound the same.
Nah, that doesn't cap.
Yeah.
Stop the cap.
I stopped the cap.
Aye, Nah.
Stop the
Unamanga
cap.
But now the crazy part, ukuthi the girl is blaming the out.
ukuthi umshile.
Ukuthi bayafana.
I'm done.
Like
Okay.
they sound the same.
Okay, wait. Ne. Aseke ama voice aseke in ne. Uthi ushishe kwakho manje bese alale no spina ucabanga ukuthi uspina uPopeye.
Athi ngoba si sound the same.
Oh. Angeke. I never boy.
Even nesende lami lifanele.
I that's another thing, true.
That's
Noma
crazy.
ngatawa kangana.
That's crazy.
Ndoda, come on. Unamanga
Nah,
lo
she's
mntwana.
lying, Febe.
Yabona last week mangithi le ifebe lezi nangenza ngathi mina ngumuntu omubi. Yizo
You can't
lezi.
say leifebelez. Not every girl is.
I'm not saying every law is febe uzuthatsheka.
Okay.
Yes. If you're not as febe,
No, it's fair. but
uzothatsheka nje yami. Because khona lo ocommentile kuma DMs, wena usibiza ngeyifebe. I'm like no. Kusho ukuthi uyiso mos.
Under the chin and
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Touched,
yeah,
though.
didn't see.
I'm like, why are you being touched? No, not like commenting, like ungifakele DM.
DM,
Yeah.
oh,
Wangilanda
I
as me
initiator,
na vele.
boy.
Ungilande ku stuff.
We are initiator boy.
Hayi angeke ngiyenze nix. Why akuthatsheka kusho ukuthi isifebe ngiright. Ngigadili nefebe manje.
Your Harada's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh man, dog. I didn't nzobulala abantu.
Na le serial killer vibes.
Nah, I
dog.
wasn't serial killer vibes, bro. I just like I was just hurt, dog, and I was like, I'm gonna get you. And then I even forgot. And then I caught her without even trying.
Hey. But usikwazi baphumutshola nabelungu.
That's what he said.
Yeah. Scratch your back. Back.
Yo, but disclaimer though, bro. Yo, Scott Puma's music is whack, bro. Yo.
No, but no, I think
That's
it's
whack,
transitioning because
Gentle.
I think it's about. I think it's
As
about.
wise
It's not alleged. The opinion yakhe le. That's not alleged.
Ukuthi yenza music work, opinion yami.
Chathi vum khona kanje. That's not work.
Bro,
Scratch my back and scratch your back.
whack, bro.
Azodlala.
Like,
But then, but you
it
know,
hurts, bro. There's so
Something
many
on my mic.
talented people out there, and then this is
Bro.
what people choose to give a platform. Yo.
Yeah.
I
then
know,
I
bro.
saw. I think
Whack.
he is transitioning now. He released. I think he's about to release a song. No KO.
It's also whack. I saw that. It's
You saw
also
that?
whack. It's whack, bro. I saw it. Aye, bro, we know what dope is, bro.
Yeah.
We know what dope is. bro.
Dope was yebo lapho.
Aye, was
Futhi
whack.
ispam somtobo. That was dope.
Nesbam some.
Who's dope, bro? You see, you know who's dope?
Youngster.
Wait.
Youngster isn't given us a wet
That's
song.
Stana's dope, but
Yeah.
I need someone that's dope, bro. That hits it at the spot, right there, spot on.
Oh. Well, but Youngster knows to release the album.
Of course, Questa's dope, but like I need someone new. Who's new?
Oh.
Who's dope? Who's new?
Who's
Yeah?
Amarusi man.
King Kid is dope.
No.
Wait.
You see, man.
Wait. We see his money fade, ne? Bekathengisa insango. Wangena ushilo. Hayi, he admitted it himself, vele.
For me, gents, I won't lie. For me, the big hash is dope, gents. Guy.
Big Ash.
I'm Nandile.
Once upon a time, yeah.
It's too dope.
Ngaleza nkathi leza masayfa we MTV. Yeah. You remember you don't have a mic, baba. You don't have a mic.
It's dope, dog. Big Ash is dope.
Big Ash keep the album no carbs. So that says something.
Big Ash is dope.
I think,
and then who else is dope, dog?
Hip hop or
All genres, dog. Bush is dope, of course.
Yeah,
you know?
definitely, yeah.
Of course, all genres, honestly.
Ngikhulume ngaye ngitshela ngobabalwa nina babalwa. Uhle boy.
Baba lunamasimba.
I don't even know one Babalwa song. Buhle, bro, yo, I know her whole catalog, bro.
Mara, come on. Kinsani.
Askis.
Ay man.
So,
Eish. Siphazamisa man. Crashing out. Yeah. Sicimele ama camera fusek.
No. Guys, there's this one vocalist thing for not nimlalele.
Ubani?
D-Rose, dog. D-Rose is coming, dog.
Okay, fair, yeah.
D-Rose. And then there's Loyens ikhanya njalo. Oh, yasisi lo yakhula.
Oh
I
yeah.
won't lie, bro. Tyler's nice, dog. Tyler deserves everything.
Oh,
that's
mara
coming to
nithi
him.
Tyler bad ntwana World Cup ini ntwana. Uthela abamvezanga World Cup ini.
But I
The cameraman by
Lo cameraman loyana sibone phela insumba ka Tyler ndoda.
think Tyler's dope,
We
dog.
only see the insumba dog.
Did you notice Gucci, her voice only came out when she was singing the Party Africans in the English accent?
Ah, mara ngeke ublame cameraman lapho.
No, nyasho.
She knew Africa, so she made noise there, vele, yeah.
So is Tyler going to be singing every match?
Man.
On every
I
match?
don't
Is she
think
gonna be
every
singing on
match.
every match?
Nah.
No, it was just.
That's the opening, this one, Uncle.
Opening, and then she's
Yeah,
going to
yeah.
sing maybe when they close or maybe semi-finals.
Nah.
Fuck you, go bro, see man. Mara, let's continue.
Drake's
Maybe
album is
crash
dope.
out. Yeah.
Drake's album is dope.
Who?
Drake's album is dope.
Iceman.
Iceman.
Yeah, Iceman.
I'm not a fan.
I'm not biased. I wasn't a Drake fan. I was a Drake hater.
I'm not a fan.
But
I'm not a fan of pedophiles. Angizoyiphinda futhi le line
I'm an
futhi.
artist. I listen to the music.
Okay,
The music
fair.
is
Yeah,
dope.
yeah. I haven't.
Yeah, nah, like the music is dope, gents. Let's not hate.
Le pedophile, yeah. We are supporting Amanyala right
Nah,
now.
he's not a pedophile, dog. All of those things apparently
pedophile
that they were
entry.
saying about him is cap.
Oh, it's kept.
Apparently, it's all cap.
That's not. Unengoma. We spoke about this lento lentang. Teenage Fever.
Sounds nasty.
Sounds nasty.
Dude,
man. Zesty.
Dude, it's actually very hard to think of someone that's dope in this new generation, bro. It's like all of these guys are
Kendrick.
whack, actually. Eh?
Kendrick Lamar.
No, like new generation.
New generation.
SA. Like, did you see how when we were like, who's dope? And then I was like, it took so long for me to think of someone.
Yeah,
dope.
yeah.
It's actually very hard. It's so saddening.
New generation. Awobani abasha vele. Ngoba khona le
dope,
konje
nice.
khona le bothi ufuna ukushaya district ya le khuluma snacks le konje ubani?
Smaman,
Le beku
I
podcast
think
nini?
Uwade unamasimba fethu.
isn't it Smamani?
No, he was on a podcast.
Angithi nithi ngifuna umuntu dope.
Yeah.
Uwade unamasimba fethu.
Khona khuluma
Wade,
ngathi piano wena mas.
That's an artist all around.
Oh. Yeah, Wade is dope.
He hamba na lo yenze leyo ngo produce.
Justin 99 Mordecai. And like
Oh,
irapture music
you know who's
yonke dope.
dope? You know who's dope? Do you know Pretty Prince?
No.
You don't know Pretty Prince?
Mazwi one.
Pretty Prince.
Pretty
So
Prince.
igama lakho ne lento yakho
Pretty
ihlangene.
as a cat.
Yeah, we don't care about the rest of the
Pretty
pretties.
Prince is dope. Baby Days was dope. I won't lie. Like I just don't like the new African sound. I know it's making him go viral, but I don't like it. But when he was making hip hop, stupid, dope.
Was dope. So he
Dope.
stopped hip hop at Champona on.
On him, he's making some African sounds, some Congolese. music.
Kulung 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 kulung.
Yeah,
Afro
kurung, kurung, kurung. It's not even Afro beats. It's Hey, but you know those songs, bro. Wathi kuzozithibe
Maybe so
intanga.
it might-
Imali molo enene.
I think he saw a market paper.
Yeah, and he's killing it. Yo, shout out, he's killing it.
Imali imolo.
But you know-
Mina I heard something fucked up lapha.
But you know who else? is
Imali
killing
mall.
it?
Yeah?
Uncle Waffles management is working overtime, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Uncle
man.
Waffles dog bigger performance at Barcelona, Spain.
Yeah.
dog.
You know what's
Yeah,
the
the
thing?
management is
Yakiyaspana, yo.
Waffles as a producer, whack. Waffles as a DJ, whack. Waffles as a dancer, nice.
Nice.
That's what they're promoting.
But manje, dog, she lost a lot of weight. Dog, why? What's
She
going
has to,
on?
she's a
Why
dancer.
did she lose weight?
No, she's a dancer. You have to understand one thing. If she
Ah,
puts
but
on
she's
too
a
much
DJ.
weight, listen, she dances magalokadlala.
Utrending ngokushake ass.
Exactly.
So ucima brand mus.
She can still shake the ass though. But when you shake the ass, you shake
I know, dog.
You shake the time when you like
and,
move.
and a lot of people are dragging her for that now. They like bring you like up old videos of herself.
She was supposed to lose weight.
This kind of this version of
You have to-
waffles like.
No, you don't
wow.
understand one thing, Jamne.
Yeah.
Most udla. Watoka kai 1-2. Uyachuluka cartel.
So you guys-
Ukamumbela no akasajive no.
So you guys think Uguti she's losing
She's
weight
doing it because she has athleticism, boy.
she has to dance.
Yeah. Okay, uwafuthi xa uthi
I
angahlala the
think
whole
maybe
night
she's
emva
stressed.
kwedekhe angayenzi nix. Oh, do you think she can do that?
Mara Joe, look jive ongaka dog. I don't think ngakulose this weight we are losing akona dog.
Obviously,
lost a lot of weight,
she
dog.
did something else. It's not the dancing that made her lose weight. Hey, she had to lose weight. That's the thing.
It's always Ozempic.
She had to lose weight.
HIV.
So that's what?
Sengasho kuphela.
In Ozempic.
Let lose this weight. What if there's an underlying disease? That's just what I'm saying.
Mawucabanga le.
Sengasho.
Scrutinize.
Sengasho. I'm not saying unayo. Mara it's not like uzositshela makana.
Hey, Maria travela yena.
Yeah,
So,
that's another thing engamenza ukuthi lose weight because she's all over the world, dog. Like her management is working overtime. I think she also went to Netherlands or something like that. Or
She's
African.
Akekho Africa nje ulenje.
I'm begging ama bouncer lapha yashuthi. What is this African doing here?
Yeah, I know you have overtime. But
Shout out to
look at
Waffles, man.
look at Kamumpela can't do the same now.
She has a lot of.
She has a lot of aura. I've seen a video of she has aura. I've seen a video of where she's performing in America, and bro, like she has so much aura there. Even if she was
Waffles in the
hopping
aura.
in, bro, like even
No,
the
move,
American
they didn't have to
celebrities
know
were
aura.
like, oh, that's Waffles.
Bunch which
She has a lot of
she
aura.
signed under?
I don't know. It's just she Creative Corner.
Not
Oh.
the Rapture Music.
Hayi rap chuphumile.
No, Creative Corner is
Ngithi
management.
uZusimakamdampa uvele wathi hamba hamba.
Ubani?
Oh shit, konje
Ngiyadlala apparently.
Nah,
allegedly.
Tutola no Kai.
Bathi allegedly before uZusa azojola no Chichi bekajola no Waffles.
No.
Allegedly
Nah. Waffles Pito Kai.
manje.
Yamkav Kai. Kai na cut. That's Uncle Waffles name.
Now
Kai and Zeus are best friends.
I can see that happening. Amajita was saying
So
that
Kai discovered Waffles and then he said, Zeus, can you please manage
Put it on.
Waffles? I know I think you can do something here.
Ati Lionel
And then Zeus
Messi.
could play there.
Eh, not
With the
Lionel Messi,
triple.
ntwana Di Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne.
Yeah, but I get you.
Yeah,
But like, yeah, nah, she's with Kai. When you see her doing them videos where you know those videos of her where a nigga spanks her ass and then
Yeah.
a nigga does
Well,
a
who you
show.
done?
That's Kai spanking her ass. Shout out Kai, that nigga winning.
Bringing it local. On Chila Nami News. Joe, yazi eyiphi management umuntu esipanayo like local. Management aka_ dog. Watch that kid, dog. Underscore K.
So you
Dlala
niggas
ngepiano.
really think like management really plays a huge role in your career?
It does.
Dog, lumtana lo ngitshela ngayo underscore.
She was here on the
gigging
pod.
Kwekwezi FM. She got a gig at Kwekwezi FM. Dog, what is our management? Do you even have a management?
don't
Don't you
have
feel like
management.
maybe if I could get enough motion, maybe I could just end up there?
Yes, but then
When I get
getting the
enough
motion,
then I end up
emotion
there.
yakho.
Eating a manager, of course,
Yeah.
but
To uthi fike la mele fike.
Doesn't-
man sheep
I feel like, bro, you make a manager's job easy when you're just popping.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Like
But
just
then
pop. Niggas think a manager will make you pop, bro. Just
Skill
and
can
a
only-
manager wants you to be
Mamela
popping. bro.
Ntwana, skill can only take you so far.
yeah. Look
The
at
work that's
Gabs. Look
being
at Gabs.
done behind the curtains, dog.
Look at
That
Gabs
is
and Chuck.
to even far.
Gabs that had like talent yonke phelele.
Exactly.
Mara he was stuck level in A1.
Understand?
Yethola. Mapurisa wafika. What? Awusikawara boy.
Aritama.
I've never received the court.
Awusa shop.
Arisabi di court,
Ntwe hore so.
Lona Azul.
Awusana ngudu manje. What?
Azul.
Baphuza ama-azul amadonhulo watwadi. Oh no, Kabza no akasadlali nala elokishini. Gcina ubazi ukuthi uKabza la eParadise.
ukabs usana ukudlala la endaweni.
Endaweni is not ikasi kahle kahle. Uma songena ngaphakathi lapha uyakhohlwa ukuthi seforce like stage sakhona singaka yabo like you forget ukuthi seforce lo jam. Ngathi sisentini. Stage lesiya. Khona.
Wena mele ube comedian jam.
Stuff mangathi yayeka.
Hayi comedy jam na
comedian. Uma ngena lapha endaweni yakhohlwa ukuthi seforce.
Yeah.
Yeah, endaweni fresh.
Mina for me it's the stage. Futhi mangidakiwe. Mangibhekele lesa stage lesiya ngathi man ngifere boma kunye kuphi like singaka lesa stage ntanga. Umuntu akhona ungaka umboni kahle.
Hayi mina ngikhohlwa ukuthi ngiseforce manje.
Wena kusekhasi lakho phela la.
Yeah, mina ngikhohlwa.
Mina phela mangijampa.
Ngikhohlwa.
Feel.
I also saw
Hey.
English.
Yes, my brother. We only have 6 hours of English per day, mfethu man.
6 hours of English per day.
Dog, mina per week mina.
I also saw Ushido was DJing in White House. Management takantwana emspanele cha. As much as bana flop. Ntwana is pushing. I like it.
Yeah.
Mina bofuna ngithini?
Ngiyakwazi ke.
But I won't lie.
Shout out Spirit Crew.
But I get that thing
Shout
what
out.
you were saying.
Shut down, shut in.
Shout
in ndoda. Amajita ntanga they're doing a lot, ne?
Bringing it local, yeah.
They're doing a lot, I understand.
Yeah, they're working
but then
overtime.
they have to start realizing one thing. If you don't treat your artists right, more who still. Your reaction yami le.
Kuningi kuzowane.
Kuningi jam. Kuningi. Because now, and on the last gig that we went to is Pilot and Friends, but I'm not happy. And I did voice out my frustrations.
What was the
Machita.
frustration?
First frustration is first things first. We don't have riders when we go to their gigs, ne? And then poster on sky recognition. Now we're supposed
So, Mara, you let
Young Chola,
yeah,
now
tell me
we're supposed to be
everything, okay.
promoting an event where you didn't even acknowledge us as artists. Key shops, Pumile Lapo. Masfika lapha na schedule, and it's always the schedule thing. But you're not in 10, mafika ngo10 so hlala ngo11 or ngo12. Yeah, it's all manje.
But you've organized the gig. You know what happens.
How long you been in the game though?
DJing.
Yeah, the events.
Lord.
Events. How long you been in the events game?
Events, I recently got into it, no Machita.
Getting booked and stuff.
I think Chef Train now how many years no? Okay, I did events before that, ne?
3 years.
Yeah, but like being booked and experiencing what you
Oh
experienced.
yeah, that one is a different one because we are two now. But when I was still alone, I think how many years? 5 years, ne? Yeah.
5 years.
Yeah, being booked
Still
like
rolling.
yeah, being booked.
Because it's Latin,
But DJing right now is like 13 years, 15. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
I feel like the longer you are in the game is the longer you realize that you actually don't have to take these people's nonsense, eh?
Yeah.
You know there's no need for that, bro. Like
That's
me,
what. Yeah.
I'm tired of nonsense, Dana. Like yo.
Phela
Indaba
unomsigaro.
yaphi performing
Unomsigaro.
dog I've been performing kunini siperforma mahala.
Mahala, yeah, that's the
I
thing.
used to perform
Yeah.
a lot of things for free, like and it was at a time when I was in my teens. And
What were you
like,
performing?
Hip hop,
yeah, being rapper.
Oh, okay.
I was in my teens and like performing for free back then was cool, dog, because like
Motion.
I don't need money, bro. I just need motion. I'm in my teens, young tall. So it was cool then. But like now, dog.
Now it's
Even when you pay me, dog, like you gotta pay me a certain amount, dog. And then when you pay me,
Malin.
you must even pay me to post that thing. I'm not posting that thing.
How much is that per hour, Phil?
per hour?
Yeah. Irritating your kitchen.
Manje nathi uzosicharge
And dog, I'll charge you 10K for 30 minutes.
Ayibo Rome nambani
Don't play with me, dog.
How much is it?
I'd rather sit at home, dog. Cause me, dog,
I
like,
also understand that now.
bro,
yeah.
like I don't make music for money, bro. Like, get the fuck out of here. Like, nah, I don't make it for money. I make it cause I mess with it. You feel me?
Wait, so does your
Yeah, I'm
content
told,
generate
so
money
like
for
if
you?
you're not gonna pay me, bro, like I'm not gonna do it.
Does your content generate money for
A
you?
lot of money.
That's why I was.
Black and
A lot of
Hey, black ass, sure.
black ass.
yeah, put you on, dog.
Yeah.
But like, fairly, like,
Shut
there's
up.
only so much I can do, dog, because it's just the thing. It's just a matter of having a phone and having a camera out every day and just shooting, dog.
Okay, in terms of your music, are you signed to any record label?
Nah.
Nah.
I'm non-bind. Even with content, like I work with a lot of agencies. So when I want this, I work with this agency. When I want this, You see, like when I want to release an album,
The
or
content in
something
our
like
agency.
Hey, dog.
that.
Like, give us
Hey, boy.
dog Mauti. If you want this, you work with this agent. Like, give us an example.
Okay, with content, né? There's certain agencies that'll get you brands, overseas brands. So, and then you work with that agency, and then with and then like South African brands. I mean, they usually an agency usually hits me up and offers and says,
Oh yeah,
"What I got." And then when that agency hits me up, I'm still in contact with them. I know what they have to offer. I know, okay, they got these brands and this brand and this brand. So I know, okay, this
So do you
agency
think-
got me when it comes to that.
Masingathola agency for our podcast. Kahle we're gonna move forward.
Yeah, but if you're generating numbers,
Yeah.
clip, you see the clips.
Yeah.
If you got the
My
clips.
brother, have you noticed good ama podcast amaningi promoting ama sports betting and stuff?
Yeah, I saw
like,
that.
We should go
Yeah.
and sit down with them.
Yeah.
Our plan, which is and then probably they can sponsor us. Maybe as share my requirements, which okay. Yeah, maybe as share okay, generate this amount of numbers and stuff like that. And
Check it out. No, I didn't know. Nah, in my mind, it's a shoot, that's a post,
I watch
that's
a lot of
yeah.
podcasts. Like, so I see these things. Which shoot sports best. Shut up.
But yeah, like-
big when I ask.
Yeah?
Who big when?
Ah, man, I thought I'm the biggest, bro.
How many followers do you have on Insta?
Bigger than MT.
I don't have a lot of followers, but I have 70K.
70K on Instagram. Yeah.
So tangalento maui reshare and tangi clip talento. Possibly 70K plus people are going to see it.
Yeah.
Didn't you buy your followers or post anything?
I didn't post anything.
So they look transitional. I'm not.
Tumuto serious.
Yeah.
Province gani shiten la.
No worry, boy. We should take the whole
I still
episode.
feel like for now, bro, I still feel like I'm underrated.
But I'm going to be bigger than you.
I'm underrated, even as a content creator.
Listen to this guy.
I'm going to be bigger than you.
Gonna be bigger than me? I just put some money on it. I'm gonna be bigger than you too, dog. I'm competitive, dog.
I see nigga 5 years.
Just know
I
that
see nigga 5 years.
I'm really, if we're doing this,
5 years is a lot.
If I'm bigger than you in the next 5 years,
It's a lot.
you need to give me, let's say, 10K. And then if I fail, I'll give you 10K.
in the next 5 years, okay?
Yes, I'm challenging. I'm disappointing
In
support.
the next 5 years.
In the next
Nah, say
5
less.
years. And there's no following like 200 and something. Jayam.
Clean.
You know what's the nice part about this?
Someone it didn't end so well, hey?
Ngiyayithanda le competition eniyenzayo ne.
Le.
Mina ngithi ngizoba khona ukudlula nina yi2.
Ungazosiphaphela.
Nah, fair.
Ungazosiphaphela.
But me, dog, I'm still
feel-
under.
Baba,
feel.
wena. Mina nawe.
I'm gonna say something. Content ngizoyisho A1 one day.
Uzothi boom. Mara
Ngiyakutshela.
uzokuhleli nami.
Like,
Yeah,
like,
Mara,
on some real thing,
uzokulandela,
like, on some real. Is there Wi-Fi here, bro? Is
Yeah?
there Wi-Fi here?
No.
Like,
What do you need?
If I'm talking real, I'm underrated, bro. I got like my all-time numbers are more than niggas that you know.
Yeah, obviously.
Like
Yeah.
a person that you know, like, and he's like big.
Yeah.
I have more numbers than that person.
Shit.
Like who? Like a content creator, like Peanuts.
Who's Peanuts now?
You don't know Peanuts?
Nah.
Okay, let me leave the kid alone. Nah, let me leave the kid alone. Let me leave the kid alone. I'll go for someone simple, Sonabile,
You have more numbers than Sunabile, boy.
on YouTube.
Shit.
Yo.
Yeah, out there. Boo. Shilanami is going somewhere. Yenze kahle ngakubiza, boy. Yeah.
She's an
Maybe like
Ah,
it's if it's not more, it's around there.
Shit.
Oh wait, what's your thing?
No, let's check, dog.
Scan.
No, let's check. Nah, Roman, let's check. I wanna be sure, ne?
Like scan via,
Let's be sure. Because, hi, Sunabile. Slim.
Or something.
Sunabile, dog. Uban. Ngizo athi yeah.
Nah, I went to high school, Boxburg High.
How?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Hola.
Going to get Roman Sikane.
Hola is crazy.
Wait, you have daughter?
Yeah.
Okay, pass.
I think ngiyakusearch.
Ngiyaba hotspot abantu ababig.
You're big, boy.
Ngiyakema tanga naye secret. Yeah.
Okay, Klav.
Right, yeah.
Wait, how do you check?
It's an Android.
Oh, time,
It's my iPhone. I'm a content creator on my iPhone. Bring my phone back, dude.
But Joe, how long did it take for you to generate those?
Okay, wait. So Nabile is 1315K.
No, not subscribers.
What?
Like views counts. Yeah.
Oh,
view counts.
let's check, Fede.
But why doesn't it show his view count here?
Heidi.
Not latest. Popular.
Okay, I'll give you someone.
1 year ago, 1.4 million views.
No. You're checking the wrong thing. Check this.
Romani.
This.
Oh, the overall.
Yeah, overall.
Okay.
Now, this is not my overall. This is Peanuts. This is like the biggest content creator right now.
It's in overall.
The biggest content creator right now.
Yeah.
What?
55 million.
Million.
50, and then Roman Cigar. Let's go to Roman Cigar. Let's go to Roman Cigar. 56 million. You see what I'm saying?
Thanks some drugs. How many million is that?
56 million.
So no billions on 30. You are
30
Antoine.
million.
No cap.
Oh, no care.
Shit.
On YouTube.
And I'm going cap. You.
YouTube.
And there's a group.
Chila
That's why I say like I'm still underrated, dog. Like
Nah, okay,
as a
okay.
rapper,
Yeah,
content creator, everything.
yeah.
But like in the end, like we'll see who the prophet is. You feel me? We'll see who the real niggas are.
Yeah. Okay, in closing.
5 years, Roman Sika.
5 years, like we said, dog. 5 years from now, we're gonna see like who are the guys that are really doing the work.
I'm going to give you 5K.
Putting in numbers.
10K, 30.
Hey guys, in closing.
So, Seva, I had so much I wanted to talk about. But okay, can I just include one more person no local? First Kid Yekumbul, the first guy that gave me my first official like interview. First Kid. That guy is pushing.
Oh yeah, First Kid.
Yekumbul, hey man.
First Kid has to come to the pod though.
Yeah, I'll talk to him. Whatever it doesn't mind, so I'll talk
I was also DM'd by a streamer, Fede.
on a stream as well.
Yeah, a streamer, he wants to come to the podcast.
Yeah, because First Kid name.
But it's from Pitori. I don't want. Ish.
But Josh will have Laddie next year.
I think we'll let you some later month end.
Yeah, Laddie or like Lucy.
Marasovas will rub shoulders with them.
Rub shoulders.
Lucy,
But then
you feel me?
Yeah, maybe I'm thinking Lucy because everyone asked me about Lucy when I came here with Bing Nabula Tizol. Ask easy point.
Yeah, Lucy would be dope.
Yeah.
It's cover level.
Ask easy point.
Cover
Yeah, learn.
First Kid did his first radio interview, dog. Shout out to them. Like Kuntwana like is moving, and I like the fact that Ungene chose and he's infiltrating inside.
Oh no, sir, infiltrated shows.
He's from.
See, now we are still in the East End
He's
right now,
taking
yeah.
Foslo to Joburg.
Nice.
Like,
I also wanna do that.
But isn't
Yeah.
also part of Joburg?
Like CBD, like
CBD.
inside.
Oh,
yeah. He's
so
taking
it's
to
there,
yeah,
like there, okay.
He's inside. He chose like because like.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
I
it
understand.
feels like really like. Yeah.
Nah.
But then CBD.
Shout out Josie. What Josie boy?
First Kid.
Oh, First Kid.
First bro.
I think First Josie boy.
Mara is crazy.
Now it's Josie boy now. How? Nah. Shout out to Ntwana Fede. Any shout outs? Any more shout outs? Shout out to MT.
Kunda Matrets.
Ishabosha.
Shout out MT, man.
Ishabosha.
Boshi.
Beka Boshi waphuma nge-1,000 rand.
1,000 paid, yeah. Crazy. What's happening? I want to see dog. Like these guys quit rap for good by streamer.
Nah, they didn't quit.
Nah, he didn't quit rap. He's just doing other things. But I actually.
Unota spoke about this. So that's fucked up.
Pushing, my man.
One thing I like about Nasty C, bro, he doesn't limit himself.
Yeah, he's doing everything.
Okay, Mara, from being the face of hip hop to farting in your streams.
Listen,
He farts in his streams there.
Okay,
He's
guys.
smart, bro. You talking about it right now. That means
he knows the system. I can't finish long Scott.
Yeah,
He knows the game. He knows no hip hop vele yona ntwana iwile la eMzansi mara lapho hip hop ntwana. Look at the Big Hash. The Big Hash actually jumped waya ku Cavs dog.
Yeah,
It was supposed to be a pioneer hip hop right now.
Akhona manje tasaplowa yabana bakhona bosimamane.
Usimema naye unobuwork nyana naye kuphi kuphi.
Work ne.
Yeah, somewhere somehow dog like there's something missing there.
Mara like
That nigga sounds like Nasty C dog.
Dog.
Oh, yeah.
Hip hop njayam.
No play keep mixed.
Hip hop it's never been the biggest genre. It's always been a genre that's like underground. Yabo. This fun in the underground.
Yeah, and then it became big. They were supposed to keep
Yeah,
the
it was a
standard.
thing
That's the
that's
thing,
like okay, everybody wants to hop on our wave now. Yeah, one of those things where we just chilling with our homies and we just making music. We mess with this music. If you guys mess with it, oh, that's cool.
Didn't you adapt hip hop from into USA?
Yeah, I think that's what we did because we had Kwaito.
Yeah, like
Yeah, we had Kwaito.
Like,
But
Apparently
Kwaito died
apparently
badly.
hip hop started in rap started in South Africa, according to Quincy Jones. Do you know Quincy Jones?
Yeah.
Yeah, Michael Jackson's
yeah.
producer.
Hayi, unamanga
He says hip hop started in South Africa.
Quincy Jones, Omaka
Quincy
Joe.
Jones said hip hop started in South Africa. He said that when he was talking to Kendrick Lamar.
Oh yeah, I saw the interview.
saw
Yeah,
the interview. Yeah, he said-
Even no Kendrick now wavumanyana.
Yeah, hip hop started in South Africa.
Nice.
You see, South Africa is that country. I was literally chilling with like some Americans when during the week. They're like, bro, they're like South Africa, dog. Like, is that country?
sorry, my guy. No, you can continue.
Oh, I can continue. Yeah, but like
So
they were like South Africa is that country, man. Like they're like better English than them,
We're underrated.
and we are nice people to be around. You know, we're very nice. We're very kind. You know, our personalities, like, we're the best. South Africans are the best, gents. I won't lie. South Africa is the best. But we're the best country to be in.
Mara, we have rugby too. So
Yeah, we're the best at rap.
3-time champions, eh? 3
Yeah,
times.
we're leading in terms of our World Cup.
3 times, ne?
Yeah.
In a row.
In a row. Yeah.
Mara, angiboni ukuthi sizowina this time.
Ngobusiya Kholisa kasekho no Rachel.
Yeah. Ulahla Rachel the first.
Ulahla Rachel.
Ngeke
Rachel was the
ulahla.
key.
How do you lahla Rachel the first? Uye bekaphethe imendlela mfethu.
Mara sazi
Ulahla Rachel the second.
Rachel the second ukuthi
Wait,
uzaba kanjani.
i-bomb squad is it still the same?
Ini?
Bomb squad.
What's bomb squad?
Awuyazi bomb squad. Lesi singaka lezonke lapha. Khona le squad lesi abasifaka abasha ama scrum.
The thing is, angilandeleli rugby like that, so I don't know it like that.
No one is following rugby. Nhlingo rugby.
Mara to kumbona ngomzimba ukuthi angeke alandeleli rugby.
Ha, ntwana.
Ngilandele ukuthi udla rugby.
He played rugby this league, dog.
What sport did you play at school, bro?
Me? Eh, man.
Uya
mfethu.
goalkeeper lo.
I played soccer.
And you're a goalkeeper.
Yeah, I was a goalkeeper.
Okay.
And then I played rugby for 2 weeks. High school mangifika emabhonweni lapha ya. Ngabuye linye ihrotman labuya indlebe encaphukile nempumulo iphukile. Ngathi angisadlali la. Ngahleli.
Me next.
Yeah, I'm like I'm gonna be next. And then uma nyaphapha ngithi ngiya reach bithana. Bazongimaka bonke vele. And then out there naye lebe iphukile. Same shit. Iyarasa.
Into engichaza kuphela ngerugby, rage bait.
Yeah. Because you can rage bait a nigga right now. I'm telling you, when you're a small light, you might look taller. I will bounce you. He'll come back for you, dog.
Bounce you?
Like that nigga's gonna fucking step on your face, sure. Yeah, so that ngivele ngadala ngiyazazi ngikhuluma kakhulu mina.
Askis, I know when I heard a lot.
We have to close.
Yeah, we have to close. But we spoke about MT, we spoke about Upagela, we spoke. Okay. Did you see that guy that went into a church and robbed the church?
Ntanga that nigga robbed the church.
Mask. Damn, bro.
What's the logic in that, dog?
That was
Obviously,
damn, bro.
okay, who takes videos in the church?
Dog, I was with my church, I'm just streamer.
S3 mama chacho man.
uSolomon wangithatha ndodangisa esontweni lakhe bayastreama nyamangala uthi shit.
Oh, mara, you have to remember one thing, ne?
Yo.
Amatsotsi awayazi technology bafethu. Amatsotsi.
Ayazi.
Amatsotsi abayazi signal jam.
Ahead. When it comes to technology, they have to stay ahead.
The reason why they come to steal from you is because they know the technology which is ubayenzela.
Yeah,
Because that guy
but
stole ama yini bazibika I wrote it down. Ama PA systems, speaker lezo.
Yeah.
Amafoni nana.
I-PA system bekashintshela ukuthi ayithengisa akaphetshela ukuthi bayazisebenzisa lezi zinto lezi niggas don't.
Mara ngithi uyazi ukuthi inemali.
Yeah, that's how they know ukuthi khona le dura lapha ya, like hayi ukuthi isebenza kanjani.
Mayingena ithi molweni.
Ingishayile cedile yababheka uyihlala phansi
Ithi sengiyabona ukuthi kenza kanjani.
iphezulu spam ntana mara lento yama robbery these days iba out of control no ntana yo.
Dog, they're missing people like
people are really doing crime right now. Why do you think they're doing crime right now?
It's unemployment rate ntana.
Unemployment rate.
Yeah.
But do you understand that, dog?
I'm blaming Ramaphosa for that, me. So
Ramaphosa's
Ramaphosa.
economy.
But dog,
Ramaphosa's
people need to understand, dog. You know, there's no need to do all of that, dog. That's dramatic, dog.
oh, I'm also blaming
First of all,
Mabahambi.
these people that are stealing cars, bro. How much are you making from stealing a car? You're making 50K and you stole that car at 5 guys. You're splitting 10K. Dog, these people that make 10K,
No, they don't. They make Boma 3.5 each.
Each.
3.5
Dog,
each even.
still a kai.
But I'm just thinking they were like, I'm thinking with the recent cars that they stole, like Sipos 50, which the Benz, when they stripped that car and they sold
They
the
won't
parts.
strip it. They already have a buyer when they come for your car, dog. That's the thing.
Nah, they stripping that car.
Nah. When they come for your car, they already have a buyer, my brother. Ne?
Nah,
They take it to the buyer,
Sorry, nah, it's
Oh, skiving us. I was jealous. Yeah. How?
Maruti, there's two ways. It's either they strip or
Yeah, there's two ways. I understand the two ways. Ne?
But that car, of course, is getting stripped, dog. Nah, that car's getting stripped.
It's a Mercedes. I don't think they're gonna strip it. There's a buyer already.
Yeah, lazi like Mercedes.
Mercedes small things as a content.
Uyalazi like
Small things as a content.
dog,
Uliphethe ngesandla.
uyalazi Mercedes. Phela ungakhohle yashisa le moto. That car is hot, dog.
Uyithenga 1.5.
Bayikhiphele i-reward le moto. Bayistripha le moto.
Mama, okay, mama istripper ne. Bayothengisa 1.5 like way 2.
Marimo wakhona, dog.
Ama rim ke wona 500 each. Nakhona ke ngoba
see what I'm saying?
250.
And yazi marimo wakhona bawuthengisa phi? Lezi ezala istratini, lezi ezenza
Exactly.
cabanga mfethu. Crazy, yes.
You see what I'm
People who
saying?
make
Like,
money,
I
actually,
don't-
people who make money are the ones that actually have the buyers fed. Stripping doesn't have money, my brother. Doesn't have money stripping. Izaka ingada kuma buyers fed because if buyer must figure ngifuna fortune na 25,000 bafethu. At least that's something. More stripper you won't get to 25. Ngeke.
But
Ngeke.
on that note, yeah,
Ngeke.
did you see local law that's about to lose a job over a 2,000 bribe? So, angazi what happened. Ne? Context, I think, Bigabo pay someone like a worker for some umlungunyan or like a foreign worker ne? For umlungunyan. So umlungu offered a bribe, a 2,000 to the lady. The guy offered ne? Yeah, I'm sorry for the context wrong, but the guy offered a bribe,
Yeah.
and then the owner, of which is the Mlungu, that's the owner of the foreign, went back with the camera and then was like, "Hey, I want my 2,000 back." Boshiwe na ine.
So lento ama bribe kahle kahle ya trend no. Ngoba khona lo phisa leli elithe bebatwala bribe lala. He's trending for that right now.
Because lento lenzakale after lento 2,000 because now abantu
Seba alert ukuthi ngathi ama setup lento
lezi
lezi.
nase Jozi dog ama taxi driver nyile dog akubophela ukuthi ana fire extinguish
Cima kanjani umlilo la? Ngicimela umlilo.
wama ngi super 16
Abana le taxi lile ajam ne. Abana mawulate. Waphuma endlini ngo7. eJoseph ya ngapha 6 boy. I understand. Uphuma ngo7.
Uthi kama
Isiba 16 ne. Mamelana. Isiba 16. Mawulate. Espanyeni melo fika ngo8 ne. Uphume ngo7 endlini. Uyofika espanyeni ngapha 6. Yahamba le yanto
Yahamba le yanto,
yahamba.
six,
Yazi mase mangaphatha usuba 16 uzolethi
that shit
mamela kuyahanjwa. 6:30 isikhathi siyabuya.
but either way dog another interesting thing
You have to
engayinayo
close it. Kunyini interesting.
it's interesting
Okay,
dog.
interested. Let's close it.
The evolution of Pakistan namakula Joe.
Oh, he's
This guy started ngama
Ngama
carpet.
carpet, yeah.
You remember ukuthi eqaleni the amakula they were selling ngama carpets house to house. Door to door.
Makapet, mamanji.
yeah, baqale ama carpet.
Yeah.
Joe.
You
know what you know what Nethombe.
Oh, ithombe yale.
Ithombe.
Ekithi sikhona vele yani.
Yes, a slight
It's
time.
like
You know what were they doing that time?
they were scouts.
scouting.
Yeah, they were scouting with the singafuni shop la.
Like where's
Nala,
the
nala.
epic one?
Bafuni shop. Fast.
Joe. Crazy, ne?
That's crazy, yo.
Fast.
South Africa is actually the land of opportunity, eh?
Not for South Africans though.
For the
South
outsiders
Africans too.
Nah, it's for the we
Yeah, South
lazy.
Africans are lazy. Yeah,
What
South
are we
Africans
doing
are
right
quite
now?
Lazy.
Dog.
This is not being lazy,
Dog,
Joe.
this is not being lazy. Thina siyapusha nakho manje.
Yokundu chani. Oh mina ngagunda ubutshani.
Angeke ngihambe.
Ngine experience ogunda ubutshani.
Mamela.
Oh thi ngihlekiseni.
Angeke ngihambe ngiyogunda utshani because already sebagcwele.
Sebagcwele.
Abo patra bagunda utshani.
Ngeke bahambe bonke.
Uzothenga umshini.
Ngeke bahambe bonke hayi.
Hayi wena.
Ngeke bahambe bonke. Ugift uyahamba wayela lokhu include ukuthi yasala. Wena uyahamba wena.
Ngenxa ukuthi nje ngikhuluma amasimba mangiringi English.
Uyahamba ugift. Ngiyabuza wenza ibet no Roman ukuthi 5 years uyahamba wena ngedate.
Yeah. Hayi wathini?
Uzobuya boy.
Wathi ngizosifihle ehlathini.
Ngeke sacheck amahlathi vele. Hayi. Alright bafethu nah this was a dope episode. Ntwana thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. We'll tell you when Lati comes for yeah. So from us the Chidanami podcast vibes who's
Thank you
it?
for having me.
It's a rap man, it's a rap. Where's the action part on Amahlathi Ivan?
What about lo mfazi lo shonile ku Catrack?
Angmazi.
Hi guys.
Ushoneleni?
Oh, there's another episode. But okay, do you want us? Can I give you context to Kenzagaleni then Soival? It's sad. It's a bit sad. But let me.
I don't look for the action part, Fed.
Okay, it's sad. But let me just quickly. A woman working at Catrack died while on duty, as her request to go home and as she wasn't feeling well was denied. Report claims that she died at the end in the toilet after
While
her
feeling sick, well.
Yeah, after her management denied her sick leave.
Mara, I understand why, man. You know. Wait.
Okay.
Devil's
Sorry,
advocate.
okay.
In management, ikhathela about gift, abathi bona bayagula mara baphethe isihlamahlama. Don't fight it.
I'm not fighting
Yeah.
it, ne? I'm not fighting it. But umuntu consistent now uyambona umuntu akukho great.
Maybe a consistency. That's why
Even that day she reported, but I'm not feeling well. Can I please go home?
maybe she's been doing it before.
Ungakhohlwa uthi makahamba. It's don't pay her, sha. Don't pay her.
Then uzo complain ku CCMA so dog.
But then,
Angithi ngiqamba manga nina
from your
so
favorite podcast, Chila Nami.
Coolest in the East Rand.
Coolest in the East Rand. Oh, you shy.
Fast.
From Asha Basle
Afunisho. Romansika. Wait before you start moving apart.